Hey guys, welcome to another episode of How to Be a Talk with me. Yeah, so today I wanted to talk about deepfakes, and I don't know if you've heard about that, but basically in 2017 a user called DeepFakes appeared on Reddit and started posting those porn videos with celebrity faces planted on porn actresses. As the time progressed, they got really better at faking it, and that's where it got kind of frightening, because a lot of videos started appearing of Obama saying that President Trump is a dipshit. I gotta tell you, if you don't know that it's fake, sometimes it's too hard to tell the difference. And the technology is getting better and better, and I've been looking into it lately and decided to see, is it possible to actually do it at home? Because people say that now everybody with a laptop can deprive you of your humanity and put you in all kinds of situations that would damage your reputation and your image, and it's not so easy. You really need to put a lot of thought and a lot of effort into it. There's this thing called DeepFaceLab on GitHub. It's completely open source. It runs on Windows, uses TensorFlow. Basically, the idea is that you create an AI, a machine learning algorithm that starts to iterate the source face and tries to recreate expressions from the destination face using the source face. And as far as I understand it, this is half of the algorithm. So this is one algorithm, and the other part is an algorithm that knows how to compare faces. And after the faces is generated, it tells the model if this generated face looks anything like the face that they're trying to recreate. And even after training the model, and it takes a lot of time, lots of iterations. So for me, for the 3 tests that I did, I'm going to show you in just a second. I'm going to tell you how many iterations I did for each and every one of them. But I spent 5-6 days in Sofia. My desktop at home was running iterations throughout the whole time. They only show you videos that were done by huge studios. Definitely this technology is going towards a point in time where we will be able to, for all purposes, realistically recreate somebody and literally put words in their mouth. But I'm not sure this is going to be such a huge problem, because we were facing the same issue when Photoshop gets so good. And for celebrities, of course, if you watch a porn video with let's say Emma Watson, she was one of the first that got deepfaked. You know that it's not her, no matter how realistically it looks. You know her image, and you can tell that it's not her. But if they do that with somebody that you know from work, it gets much harder. This happened with photos as well, and I know there were issues, there were problems, but I think that we as a society managed to slowly move past that. And I think that now, with more experience, we should be able to get past deepfakes better. Also, there are a lot of companies, a lot of institutions, a lot of government agencies that are currently developing. So as the deepfake software is progressing, there are also validation software that's progressing at the same time. Maybe we're gonna face some issues, but I strongly believe that we're growing as a society more and more, and we'll be able to overcome those. So yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at different scenarios that I tried to do a deepfake with my face being put on somebody else's head. And let's see what I got. Okay, so I have a video of Ziggy talking. This is going to be my destination video, and I have a video of myself making all kind of faces that I'm going to use to replace his face. We first start by analyzing the source video with my face, so exporting all the frames and cutting out my face. Then I have to manually go through and delete all images that are not like proper face images. Next, we do the same thing for the source video, where we're going to replace Ziggy's face with mine, export all the frames, and then cut out all the faces, and delete images of other faces from the background or images that are not proper faces that we want to replace. Once we're done with that, we can start training our model. So what it's going to do is it's going to try to use a random image of my face and generate Ziggy's face. Let's try it at just 10,000 iterations. Pick out some settings and see the result. Looks kind of horrible. My face is smaller, like blurry, but for only 10,000 iterations, it's working pretty good. So at 50,000, 100,000, 230,000, and 350,000. And you can see if we just look at the face, the color is off, but apart from that, it did a pretty good job with only 350,000 iterations. Here's the original Shia LaBeouf yelling. Here it's with my face at just 10,000 iterations. Already looks kind of good. At 61,000 iterations, it's getting even better. It's getting sharper. The color is kind of off, but we can fix that. At 125,000 iterations, starting to look pretty good. You can see a lot of faces that I never made in my source video, but the AI is making them. And it's 220,000, pretty good result. It's a bit shaky when the head is passing in front of the face, but other than that, really, really good. And it doesn't always work. Look at it, even at 150 iterations, my face is facing the wrong side and the model did a really terrible job. Okay guys, that was it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. It took quite a long to prepare, but really wanted to try it out. So if you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. Also let me know in the comments what you think about deepfakes. Is it something that you're worried about? Do you think that that it's going to be a problem for like regular people, or for like semi-famous people, or like famous people? I don't know. Yeah, also don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and maybe even hit the bell icon to receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Till then, thank you for watching and see you next time. I don't know why I did that, but yeah, see you next time.